Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. There can therefore be no wavering from Pakistan's principled policy based on supporting the inalienable right of self-determination of the people of Palestine and their right to an independent state of Palestine with Jerusalem as its capital, and demands an immediate ceasefire in Gaza, an end to the Israel blockade of Gaza, full access of Gaza to all international humanitarian organizations so that relief supplies, medicines, food, and water can be supplied to the beleaguered citizens of Gaza, and further demands an end to Israeli aggression and occupation, and termination forthwith of all Israeli activities aimed at desecration of holy places of Muslim Ummah. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
I now put the resolution before the House. Those who are in favor of the resolution may say aye. Those against the resolution may say no. I think the ayes have it. The resolution is passed unanimously. सेक्रेटरी साहब इसकी कॉपी मेरे कवरिंग लेटर के साथ तमाम दुनिया के पार्लियामेंट्स को भिजवा दें और यूनाइटेड नेशन में भी भिजवा दें.
चेयरमैन सेनेट सारिक सिंजरानी की ज़ेर-ए-सदारत इजलास जारी है. क़ायद-ए-ईवान इशाक़ दार ने